don't say, hayaan mo na, di ka niya gusto eh. But we say, ala, mo na pamili, tayo nakaburi. In ka bang pressure.
Ba't nilalabas mo yung titi mo?
Pressure.
Ba't nilalabas mo yung titi mo?
Of course, I am Kapampangan. And kapag may nadapa, we don't say, okay ka lang? We say, oh, pilalantog ang arakap mo. Mulala ka kasi eh. Ne? In Kapampangan, we don't say, can I have a kiss? Or, can I kiss you? Instead, we say, kiss mo na akong mamaltok.